bodhicitta meant. He thought it can't be, the rejecting the mind, the conventional mind of enlightenment because it is already listed in the before. So he thought maybe it is just not releasing, seminal semen, but he said in his work you should also find out what this fifth root downfall is. But he left as a vague, so he was even unable to make a decision of what this fifth root downfall is. And and Tsongkhapa appeared on this earth, even like the living the Buddha, and Tsongkhapa was very kind to all other the religious systems of Tibetan Buddhism, such as Kagyu and Sakya and so forth. For instance, when Tsongkhapa was in Tibet, and then the people were not sure whether the practices of nine mixings were actually made by the Tibetans or where they came from the Buddha's teaching, and some couldn't discover whether that practices of nine mixings were created by Tibetans or it came from actually from the Buddha. And some Tibetans said whether it is from Buddha or it is made by the Tibetans, but the practices of nine mixings is very beneficial and very helpful for the practitioners. And then when Tsongkhapa appeared in Tibet, and then he found this nine practices of nine mixings, for instance, were appeared in the six practices of Naropa, and also he discovered that Nagarjuna had also explained this practice of nine mixings, and so Tsongkhapa discovered that this practice of nine mixings were also taught by the Buddha, and realizing all this, then the Buddha, Tsongkhapa has stated that the practices of the 9 mixings in his, the clear lamp of the stages of the path. So through this, and then Tsongkhapa had illuminated the Buddha's the doctrines of Buddha's teachings on the sutra and also the tantra, and then we should next to go back to the text, and then through understanding this Tsongkhapa's learning and attainment, and then we should say that Tsongkhapa made your life of leisures and enjoyment meaningful by abandoning the 8 worldly concerns. And then we should think that how Tsongkhapa had performed the magnificent deeds all the way from when he was was a Bodhisattva at the time of the Buddha in Ongpe-to, just as in the one of former life, which is Tsongkhapa made a promise in front of this that Buddha that he will promote Buddha's secret mantra teaching and the middle way, and as he had made a promise, and then Tsongkhapa actually promoted Buddha's entire teachings, and recalling all these his activities, and then we should say that we rejoice in your the life and deeds from the depths of our hearts. And this abandoning 8 worldly dharmas, 8 worldly concerns, it is easy to say that abandon the 8 worldly dharmas and make your life meaningful, but to put it in practice, it is quite difficult. And it is and these 8 worldly dharmas are very difficult to be abandoned, even in the geishas and the lamas also find difficult to practice to abandon the 8 worldly dharmas, such as feeling pleasures, feeling happy one is being praised, and feeling sad if someone is blame, and feeling happy if one finds happiness, feeling unhappy if one meets misery, feeling happy if one has good reputation, feeling unhappy if one has bad reputation, and feeling happy if one obtains material resources, and feeling unhappy if one lacks material resources.
Saja Bendita Kungaji, Anibe to Chimbo, Bendita Chimbo, Konjana, Kumabi Ola, the nation.
And Sakya Pandita Kunga Jansen, who was a very highly respected scholar, was invited to as the spiritual guide of the Chinese emperor, and Sakya Pandita was invited by a Chinese emperor as his guru.
Hold the Jidinchi Dova Yujumari, Mesanji Mishavari, Chuja Runyon second, Injiriawati, in a pair, Penny and Zebana, Janadan said in Zebatri, something which I have
And
Yape Zanjundi River Redige, Tele Tadoche, Chebe Alan Jana Kumambu, Miraman Zenchi, Rendu Seni, Zum Chichambri.
And then the Sakya Pandita didn't have any rolling the feelings, and then the Sakya Pandita returned from China to Tibet. There was another Tibetan teacher called Jinde Rava, and he sarcastically said, "You are now the Chinese emperor," and wrote one in the kind of poetry.
The Chinese Mahakalan, the Lady Jane, and the Kaju, and Sajani, the dogs, 写着这不写的种入到呗，去种了呗，连着不努力些到中有的，他们连的，对吧？每个工钱劳动者让自己管着些个，种的是中国人的，中国口上口的，实际上我给他的家买了，因为阿里也没写过嘛，中间这边这生意的，那当个看不清不起来，对。시작에 매신 친구들 개발해야지 토르야 사자변이다 되나 보면 되는 순도 그런 되는 중에 매와 인사 또 저마디 좋은 거예요.
And
그런 되는지 쉬어 있는 거다. 저 배려요. 다양히.
And then in Asakya Pandita also reply to his his writings and in his elegant sayings, Sakya also Pandita had to write that it is like if one does not have learnings and if one does not have a learning like someone who does not have the hand, someone who does not have hand try to climb on the mountain cannot reach the top of the mountain and saying this things then he had to reply to the writings of another teacher and then that other teacher also was not happy that he was the Sakya Pandita was invited to China by Chinese emperor. If he would have invited and also that other teacher would accept the invitation.
Jana Goma la sai dabu tanagu Goma Siriori, such a do Goma the own show Yomar Zabulina. Korangitala Yomar, Namato Mayor, Nangu Goma
And it says that you are the one, the other teacher said to Sakya Pandita, you are the one who is appointed by the space, the sky, like in the Chinese emperor, because at that time Chinese emperor was very powerful, so he was the highest of all, like in the sky. So the other teacher said, you are appointed by like the sky, like the Chinese emperor. Because the Buddha Dharma flourished very widely in Tibet, and then in Chinese emperors invited the Tibetan the teachers there to be their spiritual guides. And also the Chinese emperor invited the Tsongkhapa to visit China to be their their spiritual guide. Tsongkhapa didn't go to China. Very skillfully and wisely, Tsongkhapa said, I couldn't come to China writing a letter with a scarf, with a white scarf, and then he said I couldn't come, and then finally Tsongkhapa didn't pay a visit to China. And all these the details explained in the great the biography of Tsongkhapa. If you look at it, and again, if somebody came from China to invite Tsongkhapa to China, and then this the messenger who came to invite Tsongkhapa was a very important the person of the Chinese emperor, who was maybe the prince of maybe the Chinese emperor, who had also many queens. And together with that, another Chinese the king named Wang. And if he did that Chinese name to the went and so forth, visited Tibet to invite Je Tsongkhapa, and Je Tsongkhapa cannot refuse it.
Jermuchi de Sere Chuding the Jew, Sere Gomeda Gunde, Tito, Sere Gometa, the Nindichi will have Sakontana or Otejo.
And at that time, Je Tsongkhapa was living in a Sere Chuding, which is still in the exist above in the Sere monastery.
Sere Gomayomare, Chatam.
At that time, the Sere monastery itself is yet to be established.
Denation and Joey, or Imbara Jeruchi, Nimachila, and Shavitula, not a Shishil and Rui, Johnson, Machila Mayusone, the Vachang and Sutana Mayuso, Shavitza, the Vaya Mayuso, Sena was Jeruchi, Chudo, laugh.
And then the Je Tsongkhapa searched to the assistants, and if anyone comes to see me tomorrow, you should not allow them to see me, and also you yourself should not come nearer to me. And on that night, Je Tsongkhapa escaped from that area and was lost.
The Regile Baby is soon Janan, Pengmare, young Gomem. Then she may only could share what they orders said they're doing with stuff. Suji the Mashabache, send up with a pure last.
Je Tsongkhapa didn't mention where he was going to visit, because if he had named where he was going to visit, then his assistants would tell to the messengers sent by Chinese emperor, and then they will chase him.
And the one George Shajume, Jermuchi Jume, La, Shashi Shayame. Did it Pena Korongeta, then they should never some Lotar with the church, Garjan, and then they should Matubache. That Mapeneta, then they should Utu Chejumundu, then they should go Mare, Sakura, somebody with Ba, and then they should use somebody with the bottle over body, and the Gene and paper.
And then the Chinese messengers they came, and they find out Je Tsongkhapa was not there. And they were not sure where Je Tsongkhapa went, and then they thought now Je Tsongkhapa has no intention to visit China, and then they give up the hope of inviting Je Tsongkhapa, and when they gave up the thought of they gave up hope of inviting Je Tsongkhapa, and then Je Tsongkhapa returned to that same place.
Tata Josa Chuding Tene, really as a Rizuji Jelu de Rakata Sachiori, what they do.
And from Cheding, Je Tsongkhapa escaped to Rakatap, and which is around that area, and Je Tsongkhapa stayed there.
Jana Gomaka Dene Shumation, the Machine, Gatacha, Nia Kugumare, Juru Guredi, Jerbuchi Chudo Jame, Meme Loton, Traji Silia, Lachimbuti Jelly, the Kabshubare, and Jinechu to Shematin and Loyal Jonet. Chodu Netere, James Gune, Chuju Godu, and Yandaro Dene show, as you day abu jetting Tionja, Suja, Shelapu, and we ordered with the Puna, and told Niju Paderja, or that group and go don't care, Miss Vestible Java Huja. Chivan Nasan, Chivan never the Kalateva Najing, Karapushan, Shembatin, the Lord of Jamato, Tanga, Yavitation, and Gauru, and Jim Mayum Hajiri. What I told you because the Ranches you unit.
And if the Chinese emperor invited the other the lamas, and then they will be so happy to go to China as a guest of the Chinese emperor, even they would maybe sleep at night time because of pleasures, such invitations. However, Je Tsongkhapa didn't have any kind of the worldly concerns and feelings, and it didn't accept the invitation made by the Chinese emperor. And when the Chinese emperor's messengers arrived around that area, and the Je Tsongkhapa escaped from their Sherachedi, and then he hid in a cave where there was nobody. And so Je Tsongkhapa, this shows that Je Tsongkhapa didn't have any worldly concerns. Not only that when he was adult, that he didn't have any worldly concerns, but even when he was very young, he didn't have any worldly feelings. when the people came to make him offerings when he was young, and then Je Tsongkhapa and taught all this now deception. For me, Je Tsongkhapa felt and the offerings and presents were as if that someone offers or serves tea and food for a person who has a jaundice, and the person who has a jaundice and bile, and if someone gives a food, then that person will develop nausea. In a similar way, Je Tsongkhapa developed disillusionment with all the samsara marvelous. Through this, we can also understand Je Tsongkhapa didn't have any worldly feelings. And they're thinking that at this degenerate time, the Je Tsongkhapa strove for learnings and studying, and for he had to strove a great effort for his spiritual attainments, and think that Je Tsongkhapa made his life of human life very meaningful by abandoning eight worldly dharmas. And for us, abandoning eight worldly dharmas is great realizations. But for Je Tsongkhapa, it was not a great realization, because even when he was very young, he was able to abandon this eight worldly dharmas. So we should think that Je Tsongkhapa had abandoned this eight worldly dharmas even when he was young. And then also we should realize that Je Tsongkhapa's magnificent deeds of promoting and maintaining the Buddha Dharma, such as teachings of Sutra and Tantra, throughout the world, and then we should remember all this, then we should rejoice from the depths of our heart.